say it on Meigyn, not me.
Hey guys, we made another video.
That's right, we're here with another video, and this video is actually a two-part to unboxing a couple of my Amazon products, random products. And today we are going to put together.
We are putting a basketball thing on, and then we can shoot it in the hoop.
Exactly. So we're gonna put this basketball hoop together. It actually has a scoring board and everything, which is super cool. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. Box number 1. They use all this box for this little piece. So it's a mini tripod for my phone for when I do videos. Next box. I got for Z. This is the basketball scoring court. This is open. These are the water guns. Pew pew. Alright, and last but not least. Zoom in on the clock. So this is like a little modern clock that I got, and I'm gonna have to show you guys the whole piece because it's long. It's supposed to be longer than this. Alright, so we have the box. We're gonna go ahead and open it and put it together.
But we need scissors.
And see how well it works.
Rock, paper, scissors. Shoot. But guys, I think this is for me or my mommy or Quentin. I mean, or my dad.
Come here.
But let's see.
Okay, so here's the backboard. Instructions. If you've seen any of my other videos, you know I hate instructions.
A pumper.
Oh, this is perfect. Okay, so I know what you can help me with. You can pump up the basketballs. Okay. Let me feel. Oh yeah, that's good. That's a nice basketball. Alright, so do the same thing with this one.
But guys, my mom is scratching me. On this, but I'm okay.
Okay. Alright.
I think you want, I want you to pop it. Here.
You know what? I'm gonna get batteries to turn it on right now. When you get over there, Simba, go show them in the camera. He's gonna turn it on and show you guys. Woo! Bring it back up. This is it so far. I have the backboard, the rim, the hoop, and the scoreboard. Woo! back knit, and then the back. Hey guys, so this is the end result. This was the best store to put it under because it had space above it. But yeah, we're gonna turn it on. We're gonna go ahead and try it out. Let's see. Woo! Let me get a shot in. See if I can. Oh, that was pretty bad. If you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And go ahead and leave any comments down below. Make sure you don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you can see what's coming next. Peace.
You gotta make it first. First try. I made it. Come on, you gotta make one. Almost. Alright, say I made it. I made it. Woo! Hurry up, go. One more. Oh. Go, make it. Alright, you gonna let me make it. Shoot!
Shoot, Z, shoot!
You gotta hurry up and shoot. Ah. I'm about to make it. Oh, I made it.